The AGM-88 HARM or high-speed anti-radar missile is a missile capable of autonomously targeting high-precision radar systems. The missile itself calculates the target's location, its systems perform the necessary ballistic calculations, and it can strike enemy radars. The missile's systems memorize the pulses and move towards the direction of the radars. There are modifications that can target radars with frequency hopping, meaning once the radar is turned on, it's impossible to save it. In general, HARM is intended for use on American and some European aircraft. They are mounted using special platforms that support the missile software. They can be launched from F-class Tornado and Typhoon aircraft. There are no other options. However, a solution was found for the Ukrainian Air Force. Engineers adapted the Soviet Su-27 and MiG-29 aircraft. However, how exactly it was done remains a secret. Perhaps a new platform was created, as the standard one is incompatible with Soviet-era aircraft. Nevertheless, today our pilots of the Su-27 and MiG-29 are able to strike Russian radar systems from anti-aircraft missile systems. S-300 or S-400, self-propelled SAMs or the Tor and Pantsir S-1, Buk, and even the enemy's surveillance radars. As for the missile itself, it is equipped with a fragmentation high-explosive warhead. Its detonation is triggered by a contact laser fuse. Inside, there are 25,000 steel submunitions, an explosive charge, a detonator, and the actual fuse. These missiles were first manufactured in the US in the 80s and 90s. Throughout their service, these missiles have been constantly upgraded, depending on the needs and the targets to be destroyed. Today there are 3 versions. Each features more advanced hardware and software, enhanced resistance to jamming, and an expanded frequency range for the seeker head. AGM-88 HARM is more than 4 meters long, while it weighs 354 kilograms. The weight of the warhead itself is 70 kilograms. The missile's maximum speed is 2,280 kilometers per hour, and its operational range is between 20 to 100 kilometers. It all depends on the range of use, because HARM can operate at low, medium and high altitudes. It is quite difficult to spot the missile. It is designed with an aerodynamic configuration featuring a swiveling wing. Its solid fuel engine operates in 2 modes, launch and cruise. Additionally, the low smoke fuel reduces the missile's detection chances. You can use it in different ways. If the target's coordinates are known, there are no problems. HARM will lock onto the target and fly towards its destruction. If exact data is unavailable, the operator launches the missile, and it seeks the target on its own. Another feature of the missile is its ability to reselect a target mid-flight. If the seeker head detects a radar and it suddenly stops working, for example, if it's already located, the seeker will automatically begin searching for a new target. And if the station suddenly shuts down, the missile will maintain its flight path and continue toward it. If no other radar is encountered along the way, the missile will continue towards the previous target. However, if a new radar is detected, it will change its course.